Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Ashis, Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 8. So my dear student, let us start our class. Today is our lecture number 38 of half yearly, and today's SW number will be 29. My dear student, our topic's name exercise 5.4 and 5 as your CW, and from this 4 and 5 number question and some problems is given as SW. So my dear student, the name of the chapter is algebraic fraction. Okay, 4 number question, and you must open your math book, and the question is find the difference. That means we do subtraction of these two fractions. So how can, first up will you notice 1 by x minus y minus x square minus xy plus y square divided by x cube plus y cube. So we do difference, that means we do subtraction. So here we write 1 by x minus y minus x square minus xy plus y square divided by x cube plus y cube. My dear student, please notice x minus y and here x cube plus y cube. So at first we take LCM of the denominators. Here denominators are x minus y and x cube plus y cube. Dear student, we know LCM, we find LCM by taking common term and uncommon term, but you notice both term are uncommon, so we take two number as your LCM. So we write LCM, that means x minus y into x cube plus y cube. Okay, this is the LCM. So when we do addition or subtraction, both rules are same. We divide this LCM by denominator of the first fraction, and the denominator is x minus y. So we divide this LCM by denominator and we get x cube plus y cube, and that number is multiplied with the numerator. And if we multiply 1 with x cube plus y cube, we get x cube plus y cube. I hope you have understood. Now this minus sign is here. After that we divide this LCM by denominator of the second fraction. If we divide x minus y x cube plus y cube by x cube plus y cube, then we get x minus y, and that x minus y is multiplied with the numerator. So we write here x minus y and x square minus xy plus y square. Now we do calculation, that means x cube plus y cube is written here. After that we do multiplication of this number by x and also minus y by this. So minus, at first we multiply this number by x. So if we multiply x with x square, then we get x cube. X with x minus xy, then we get minus x square y. X with y, then it will be plus x y square. After that we multiply this whole number by minus y. That means if we multiply minus y with x square, then we get minus x square y. So now we multiply minus y with minus xy, and it will be minus minus plus and x y square. And finally we multiply minus y with plus y square, and it will be minus y cube. And here x minus y into x cube plus y cube. So now we write x cube plus y cube. My dear student, now we do multiplication of this number by the minus sign, that means minus 1. Okay, so minus 1, and we get minus x cube minus minus plus, and it will be plus x square y plus minus minus, that means minus x y square minus minus plus, then it will be x square y plus minus minus, then it will be x y square and minus minus plus, and it will be plus y cube divided by x minus y into x cube plus y cube. Now dear student, please notice minus x cube and plus x cube both are cut, and here you notice x square y and x square y, that means here 2x square y, 2x square y, and here you notice xy square, that means it is minus 2xy square, y cube plus y cube, that means 2y cube. Now x minus y, and dear student, we write x cube plus y cube. Okay, now notice 2y common, so we take common. Do you know common means we do division by each number of this 2y. If we divide 2x square y by 2y, then we get x square. And now notice we take 2y common, that means we divide 2xy square by 2y and we get minus xy, and we divide this 2y cube by 2y, then we get y square. Okay, after that we write x minus y, and now please notice x cube plus y cube, x cube plus y cube, and what is its formula? Its formula is x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. So we write that formula, x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square, and you this time notice this x square minus xy plus y square, x square minus xy plus y square are cut, and left twice y and x minus y into x plus y. So we write 2y first as a numerator, and here notice x minus y, x plus y, that means this is the formula of a square minus b square. So we write here x square minus y square, and this is the answer. I hope you have understood. So our difference is done. Then we shall solve simplification, my dear student. Then we shall solve simplification. In this problem, addition and subtraction both are present. Okay, we solve f number now. Sorry, 5 number now. 5 number question is simplification. So first of all we solve G number question. It is 1 by x minus 1 minus 1 by x plus 1 minus 2 by x square plus 1, then plus 4 by x to the power 4 plus 1. Okay, so first of all we do addition of this two fraction first. So its LCM is x minus 1 x plus 1. Okay, so at first we take LCM because both terms are unknown, uncommon. So we take x minus 1 x plus 1 both as LCM. Now we divide this LCM by denominator of the first fraction, and we get x plus 1 divided by x minus 1, and we get x plus 1. That x plus 1 is multiplied with this 1, and it will be x plus 1. And now we divide this x minus 1 x plus 1 by x plus 1, and we get x minus 1, and that 1 is multiplied with this 1, and we get x minus 1, minus 2 by x square plus 1 plus 4 by x to the power 4 plus 1. Now x plus 1 minus x plus 1 x square minus 1, cos a plus b into a minus b. So we write x square minus 1. Okay, minus 2 x square plus 1 plus 4 by x to the power 4 plus 1. Now this x and this x cut, and left 2 by x square minus 1, and here 2 by x square plus 1 plus 4 by x to the power 4 plus 1. Then we do subtraction of these two number, and we get, first of all we find out LCM. So x square plus 1 and x square minus 1. Okay, and if we divide this LCM by denominator of the first fraction, we get x square plus 1. That one is multiplied with this 2. So we get 2 into x square plus 1. Similar way, 2 into we divide this LCM by denominator of the second fraction and we get x square minus 1. That is multiplied with 2 and we get minus 2 into x square minus 1 plus 4 by x to the power 4 plus 1. Now this is written as x to the power 4 minus 1 cos a plus b into a minus b. So we can write. Now we do calculation 2x square plus 2 and minus 2x square plus 2 plus 4 by x to the power 4 plus 1. Now this 2x square and 2x square are cut and here left 4. Here x to the power 4 minus 1 and here 4 by x to the power 4 plus 1. Now dear student, we take again LCM, that means here x to the power 4 plus 1 and x to the power 4 minus 1. So we divide denominator of the first fraction. This LCM is divided by denominator of the first fraction and we get x to the power 4 plus 1 and that is multiplied with 4. So x to the power 4 plus 1. This plus sign is here. After that we divide this LCM by denominator of the second fraction and we get x to the power 4 minus 1. X to the power 4 minus 1. Okay. Now from this line we write, dear student, please notice a plus b into a minus b. So we write x to the power 8 minus 1 and we do calculation 4x to the power 4 plus 4 plus 4x to the power 4 minus 4. We cut this minus 4 and plus 4 and left 8x to the power 4, x to the power 8 minus 1. So my dear student, this is the solution of this question. Okay, and as our solution is done, we must write answer. Okay my dear student, please take it again. Okay, next we shall solve question number 8 of 5 and this is so easy and it is our last question of this class. Is number x minus y by y minus z and z minus x plus y minus z, here z minus x into x minus y plus z minus x, x minus y into y minus z. Okay, now we take LCM of the denominator. So y minus z, y minus z, z minus x, z minus x, x minus y, x minus y. That means we take common term and uncommon term also. So x minus y first, then y minus z, then z minus x. Okay my dear student, this is the LCM of the denominator. Now we divide this LCM by the denominator of the first fraction. Here y minus z and z minus x. If we divide this LCM by denominator of the first fraction, we get x minus y and that is multiplied with x minus y into x minus y plus we divide this LCM by denominator of the second fraction and we get y minus z. So y minus z into y minus z. Similarly, we divide this LCM by this number and we get z minus x. So z minus x into z minus x. Now dear student, x minus y, that means x minus y whole square, and this is y minus z whole square, and this is z minus x whole square, because y minus z into y minus z, z minus x into z minus x. So x minus y, y minus z, z minus x. So x square minus 2xy plus y square. Why? This is the formula of a minus b whole square. Next, y square minus 2yz plus z square plus z square minus 2zx plus x square by x minus y, y minus z and z minus x. Now x square that means 2x square, y square that means 2y square, z square that means 2z square minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2zx, x minus y, y minus z and z minus x. So 2 common and left x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx by x minus y, y minus z and z minus x. So this is the answer of this question. My dear student, today this is our today's lecture, and now I shall give you some problem as your SW, which are from 4 you shall solve question number D, and from 5 you shall solve question number F and I. I hope you have understood. My dear student, you must do your essay in SW copy and submit it regularly in our school campus. So my dear student, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, assalamu alaikum.